Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 2B part 4 of the 2022 NCEA Table Equation and Graph Examination paper. So without further ado, let's read question 2B part 4. Dani watched the ball from Hemi's second throw, as in part 3 opposite, and could see that the ball was at a height of 3 meters above the ground as it passed over her head. So Dani is here. The ball is 3 meters above her head, okay? And we are going to, using equation or graph, find the distance of Dani from the base of the apartment block. So you need to find the distance x here, okay? Justify your answer with full, clear working. Okay, so now we shall go back to part 3, because this question is part 3. The equation of this line was y, or height, equal to minus 0.3, 0.5 bracket x minus 6. When you expand it, it's going to be minus 0.3. So x squared, x times x squared, minus 6x plus 5x minus 30. Then you are going to simplify the like term. Minus 0.3 x squared minus x, 6 minus 6x plus 5x minus x minus 30. And then we're going to expand it. Minus 0.3 x squared minus plus 0.3x plus 9. Now, you know that the height is this equation, minus 0.3 x squared plus 0.3 x plus 9. So now they said that Dani is x meters away and the height of the ball was 3. Okay, so height for Dani is going to be 3. So we substitute height equal to 3 equal to negative 0.3 x squared plus 0.3x plus 9, and we need to solve what is the x, and that will be the answer. If you can get it right, that will be an excellent. So what we do now, we're going to minus 3 across the whole equation, because we're going to get rid of the 3, so this becomes 0, becomes minus 0.3 x squared plus 0.3 plus 6, that's the answer. Now, to get rid of the decimal, we are going to multiply everything by 10. So we're going to swap around. So 0 will be at the end there. So become 3x squared minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 60 equals to 0. So now the next step we're going to do is to get rid of the minus sign. We're going to times by minus 1. So that becomes 3x squared minus 3x minus 60 equals to 0. We can simplify further by taking out the common factor. So 3 is the common factor. So we divide by 3 throughout. So it becomes x squared divided by 3. So x squared minus x minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, now we have to use a bit of algebra to solve this. So factorize, you have taught many ways of factorize. My way, just do the double x method. So x and x, the factors of minus 20 is minus 5 and plus 4. And then you multiply x times minus 5 is minus 5x. 4 times x is plus 4x. You're going to add them up. And the answer is minus x, which is what we want in the middle. So the answer is going to be x minus 5, x plus 4. That is equals to 0. And then you're going to solve it. X minus 5 equals to 0. Or x plus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 5. Or x equals to minus 4. I'm going to bring up a bit, okay? So, as usual, minus 4 cannot be the length. So, the answer, x equals to 5. So, Dani is 5 meters away from the apartment block. So, that is how you solve for x in this paper. If you can do that, that will give you an excellent. If you get part 3 and part 4 right, you get double excellent. It means that you get E8 in this paper, and you are on the way to score to ace the NCEA exams. So you have passed this paper, you have answered part 3 and part 4. So I'll see you in the next one. Be ready to watch question 3A in the next video. Cheers everyone, have a good day.